Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you the ultimate guide for using YouTube TV. So let's get started. So here we are in YouTube TV, and now I'm going to show you and explain to you the essential things that you should know right here in YouTube TV as a beginner. And so let's get started right away. So the first thing is you have your library, home, and live. This is very important because they are three separate categories right here that you want to watch. So depending on which content that you want, then you can just select on one of them. So library is where basically you'd be able to see your favorite channels or whatsoever right here. This is where you would see it. And then the next one is we're going to move on into our settings. So we're going to click here on our settings right there on the top right of our screen. You can see your profile, and then you want to click on it. And from here you can see your location. This is very important because depending on your location, only few channels will be shown to you. So if you're in New York, only channels that is available in New York is shown to you. So make sure that you have your location set right. And then you have your language, very important, so that you can understand everything. And then here in the settings, click on that. And from here, let's just wait for this to load. And then from here, we'll be going into 4K first. So if you have a 4K feature available in your plan, it's very important that you use 4K. So as you can see right here, you can add a 4K plus into your plan if you would want to. And then the next one is the live guide. This is very important, especially if you have channels that you absolutely must have. So for example, you can't miss Disney Junior. So if you have a kid, then you can miss Disney Junior right here. So you want to prioritize this channel. So you can just click on this button right here. And then after that, it would go up right here in this tab channels right here. So these are the channels that will be recommended to you first by YouTube TV. So this is very important, and you can rank them just like this one by dragging it just like so. And you can also hide channels by clicking on this button right here if you don't want to see that channel. And then the area right here, this is where you will be editing your location or your area if you don't want to edit it right here. And then the next thing is your downloads. This is very important also. So if you want to download it, then this is where you can see it. And you can also add 4K plus. And yeah, I think that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.